Hello everybody. So here I got the 2015 C7 Corvette. Haven't driven it into a ditch or anything, so it's still in one piece. Although I got two little chips in the paint. Gonna touch it up, so really minor, but went ahead and bought the paint pen. So comes with the marker tip and then a brush tip. So paint pen or marker point, a brush, then on the bottom's got a clear coat, and then the little abrasive tip to kind of scrape off some remaining. I went ahead and did this one yesterday, and I'm not even gonna bother with the clear coat. It's just really minor, just to touch it up. So that one went bare down into the metal. Then I got this other little one right there. So they generally say to get your surface cleaned up, wipe it down with alcohol, and then apply your paint, and then sand it off so you get it even with the rest of the surface. But on my case, I'm just gonna dab it right in just because of how minor it is. Just to shake it for a good 30 seconds. So this is the one I did yesterday. So I just touched it with the tip of the pen, and it looks good. But that's the only thing paint wise with this car, those two little spots. Everything else is in really good shape. And the car is 5 years old. It's a 2015. And one of the things about this is how it's torch red, so it's not metallic, so that actually makes it easier to touch up paint, because on the metallic they got the little flakes of metal. Touch up paint can be harder to actually blend, so that's to kind of scrape off any loose paint that you might have. So just gonna do a small little dab there. So I had seen on some of the forums where some people were having paint peeling issues. I don't know which color coats those might have been, which if those were metallic or non-metallic, but this one's been really good. 5 years, a little over 5 years that I've had this car. So if I end up getting a C8, I think I'll want a metallic color this time, something that's got a little bit of shine to it. So I might get the light blue, maybe yellow or white. So those are the three colors I'm thinking about. So anyways, thanks for watching.